Grated coconut a half cup. Roasted chana dal a half cup. Few mint leaves. Few coriander leaves. 2 green chiles. Cumin seeds a half teaspoon. Salt a half teaspoon. Pepper powder a quarter teaspoon. Tamarind pulp 1 tablespoon. Water as required. Grind it into fine paste. Transfer the coconut chutney into a serving dish and set aside. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds a half teaspoon. Chana dal a half teaspoon. Urad dal a half teaspoon. 1 whole red chili. Few curry leaves. Roast well until they turn light golden brown. Pour the tempering immediately over the coconut chutney. Semolina, rava 1 cup. Yogurt 1 cup. Flattened rice 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Water a half cup. Grind it into fine batter. Transfer the batter into a large bowl. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Mix well and rest the batter for 5 minutes. On high heat, spread out the dosa batter thinly. Cook the dosa until the bubbles form, then lower the flame slightly until the dosa sets from the surface. Once the dosa is cooked, remove it from the pan. Ready to serve with coconut chutney.